Good drop in crude oil and a swingful day in NG, an eventful day. I hope you all profited from yesterday's guidance. Now, what is going to happen today? We will try to see again with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We'll try to provide the trading behavior of these instruments and try to see where we can enter, what could be our take profits and targets as well. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with US crude first. See, on the 2-hour charts, it is showing a reversal, the previous candle with a good tail, and now it is trying to show you a reversal, probably a retracement till towards 109 levels cannot be denied. And yes, I'll be watchful of 109 and 110. So these two levels are of importance to me. What it is trying to do, or what it may try to do, is it can try to come back till here and retrace back till here at around 109, 110 before it looks forward to any further drop. So it is trying to create a channel, and so yes, lower lows is something and lower highs is something, and it is going to trade within this zone itself. 110 is the resistance, so probably it can try to go back till there, and 104.5 or 105 levels, these levels should provide a very strong support. It is already seen 105 levels. I will be watchful now till the time it trades above 106. I will not recommend you to go short, that is for sure. And yes, above 106 right now it may try to look back and hit back towards 109 and 110 levels. Now look at the directional movement. It is right now bearish, trying to converge a bit, and we can see the greener candle is the cause there. Look at the stochastic. This is looking upwards. It was oversold, and this is called minor retracement. MACD is trying to converge. It is oversold, and it is trying to converge, crossover on the buy side. RSI is also near to bottom but looking upwards from here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, do not go long till 108 and do not go short till 106. In between these $2, I will not recommend you to trade here. See, this candle started with a flat top, and hence it can try to come back again till towards 106.8 or so, and if it breaks below 106, one can remain short for 105 and below levels. And yes, if you see it trading above 108, go long. Look at the divergence. It is bearish. The stochastic is at bottom looking upwards, but at the same time lower highs on the stochastic, but has some little scope for it to rise further. The MACD is trying to converge, and the height is done, though probably it may try to reverse a bit. The RSI is near to bottom there looking downwards. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, the candle is green, and this is the second consecutive candle. The pivot is at around 106 with 106 as pivot, 108 and 104. So see, it has still got some room for it to drop till towards 104. If it continues to trade below 106, we may see it coming till towards 104.5, the strongest support. And yes, above 108, one can expect that it is going to hit 109 and $110 levels. Look at the directional movement, is strongly bearish, divergent. The stochastic on the 4-hour charts oversold, looking forward to a reversal. MACD is also wide divergent, and it appears it has achieved the peak there. See, these two candles stabilizing from here. It should try to converge and crossover. RSI looking upwards on the 4-hour charts. On the daily charts, if you find, on the daily chart, the support is here at 105 and 104. So these two levels are definitely something to be watch out for. Now look at the behavior of the oil here. Rise, a sharper drop, consolidation, a retracement, higher highs, drop, higher lows, and see, it is trying to trade in this channel. Now look at this. Despite trading in this channel, this time it failed to break past 114 levels, and yes, there is a support at 104.5, 104 levels. If it breaks this zone at 104, one can expect that oil is going to act super bearish, and it may try to go back till towards 110 and below levels. So important days there. Also look at the previous two candles here. See, lower highs, lower lows here, expanding in nature, and expansion in nature expanding in nature insists that probably it may try to swing a bit between these two zones, that is 112 to 104 levels. It can try to give you a sharper swing day, and hence yes, you can enjoy the levels at both sides. Long entry above 108, that is what we have already seen, and short entry below 106 definitely will try to give you some profit. See, there is a bearish crossover on the directional move, and probably a red candle today will definitely do so. The MACD is trying to converge from here. The RSI is looking downwards on the daily charts too. So considering this, if you see oil trading above 108, you can go remain long. The target is 109 and 110. till 110 it can reverse any point of time, rather I will say till 111 levels it can reverse any point of time. So as we have already seen the previous candles showing lower highs, that is one probability. And on the downside, if you see trading below 106, one can go short for 105 and 104.5 levels. These two levels I will be definitely watchful of. Important resistance zone for oil between 104 and 105. Once it breaks that, we may see a sharper fall. So take your positions accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Now let's have a look at natural gas. NG on the 2 hour charts is trading in this channel. It is trading with a downward slope, lower highs, lower lows. The high there at 8.3 now, probably the channel high, and yes, if it trades above 8.3, only one can expect that it may try to rise strongly. So I will be watchful of, so it 8.35, rather I will say 8.35 I will be watchful of. Once it trades above 8.35, one can expect a sharper drop at this sharper rise. At the same time, once it trades below 8.3, one can expect that it is going to hit $8.1 levels. So in between 8.28 and 8.35, do not trade. That is what I will say. uh, Rather I will say 8.25 and 8.35, these $1 levels, do not take a trade here. And if you look at the directional movement, it is running flat and stochastic looking upwards on the 2 hour charts. The MACD is divergent on the sell side, must converge from here. RSI is trading flat there. On the 3 hour charts, if you look at, similarly on the 3 hour charts, see these two candles, a smaller body size, bigger tail, expanding in nature. Probably if it breaks past this zone, that is why I say even if it breaks past this zone at 8.35, you can go long there. You can expect 8.4 and $8.5 levels again on NG. At the same time, breaking 8.25, one can go short. One can expect that it is going to head till towards 8.2 and 8.1. Below that, we may see it dropping below $8 levels. Now look at the directional movement. It is flat on the 3 hour chart, stochastic looking upwards. MACD has just crossed over and it is still divergent, indicating more of bearishness. RSI is trading flat with the downward slope there. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, the strongest support is here at around 8.2 and 8.1 levels. These levels I will be watchful of. It can try to provide a stronger support. At the same time, on the upside, if it tries to rise, 8.4 levels cannot be denied, but one can go long only once you see it trading above 8.35 levels. In between 8.35 and 8.25, do not trade. Below 8.25, the support will come into picture at 8.2 and 8.151 levels. On the upside, if it breaks past 8.35, the nearest resistance at 8.4, and beyond that it will try to fly towards 8.5, 8.6 levels. Directional movement is trying to cross over for a bearish move. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has just crossed over first red candle. Probably we may see more red candle indicating little bearishness there. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find that this probably is a indication of a reversal here at the top of this channel. So once it trades below $8.2 levels, rather I will say $8.1 levels, definitely one can expect a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 7.8, 7.7 levels, which is going to be very strong support zone. And below that we may see a sharper fall or NG which will try to take it towards 7.5 levels also. So take your positions accordingly. Directional movement is bearish, bullish, and it is try to converge. Stochastic is overbought and it is looking downwards and it is trying to cross over. MACD is trying to cross over on the buy side. It is trading sell. So let's see which one wins. But yes, right now it appears probably we may see a little drop. The RSI is trading flat but looking downwards with a little minor downward grading ingredient or slope. So considering this, for the day, if you see it trading below 8.24, go short. If you see it trading below 8.36, go long. In between these $1.2, stay away. Below 8.24, the nearest support is at around 8.2, 8.15 levels. And if it breaks this 8.1 and below that, we may see it dropping sharply towards $8, 7.8 and $7.5 levels. Everything is possible. Above 8.35, one can expect that it is going to get some support at 8.4, 8.5 levels. If it breaks this zone, then there is going to be a sharper rise. So take your positions accordingly. Always trade with a stop loss. Always keep shifting your stop loss manually or with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my Telegram channel. And yes, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 6th of June. 15 days trading sessions, 90 minutes daily, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become profitable and efficient trader. Do not miss to join that. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram channel ID, Telegram personal ID, and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.